yet another episode of Spill the Beans on CNN News 18. Today, my guest is someone that we have invited to just purely congratulate her for her film and her success. Of course, Pratibha, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
A big congratulations to you. How do you feel about, going to Oscars 2025?
I really can't say how I'm feeling right now because it's a very beautiful feeling and I'm super happy. I'm super happy.
Also, would love to know about your journey. Please walk us through the journey from, auditioning, getting the script, working with Kiran Rao, finally arriving at the sets, meeting the people of Bhopal.
It's been a beautiful ride. I think I've learned so much during the entire process. I remember auditioning for Jaya's character and then taking away something back home and then coming on set and then exploring myself on a very different scale. I think it's been a learning process, and from then to now, I've been just celebrating Lapata Ladies. It's not stopping, and yeah, it's a beautiful ride.
And also, how do you feel when you see so many of posts and videos floating across the social media platforms, the entire nation celebrating your success, also rooting for Lapata Ladies at the Oscars?
I think I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful for the kind of love we all have been getting for the film. It's very overwhelming, and I can just say that thank you so much for supporting us throughout the journey because it really means a lot. I just feel so nice right now because people have been appreciating your work. They recognized you. I think these small things, they really validates you and it makes you feel very nice.
Pratibha, tell us what was the most challenging part of playing Pushpa or Jaya?
The most challenging part, I think, I don't see it in a way that okay, this will be challenging, but it was exciting for sure when I got to know that okay, Jaya, she has a very different dialect. The way she looks is so different. There are some different aspects of Jaya which will not match my personality. I was like, okay, like, now this is something very exciting because I'll get to explore my potential. I'll get to know how much I can do. I think that was a very exciting bit, and just to know like how Jaya thinks, because the character has been written in a very beautiful way, very nuanced, and to perform that, I think it was because of Kiran's ma'am guidance that I was able to bring that performance on screen.
Lovely. We have already spoken to Kiran Rao. When she's not on set, we would love to you to tell us that, how she exactly is when she has that director's hat on.
I think she'll make sure that she'll be a friend. She'll make you feel very comfortable. She'll be like, you tell me what is going on, how is going on. And I think that's very important to establish the comfort. And once the comfort is established, then it becomes it becomes an organic process when you're performing. So I think that's wonderful thing about her.
And also, what was the most memorable part from the sets of Lapta Ladies?
Most memorable part, I think just going out there and shooting in live locations, because Bhopal is such a beautiful place. We were shooting there, and it just adds so much to the films, adds so much to me when I'm performing. When you're actually shooting in a live location. So I think that's the most memorable part, and making friends for like lifetime, maybe. Yeah, I think that's also a beautiful thing.
Since you have talked about friendship, I have to mention this. We have seen your car dancing session videos with Sparsh Srivastav going massively viral on social media. Please talk to us about the bonhomie and friendship that you two share.
Oh yeah, he's a great friend. We both are like brothers when we are together. I'm like, yo bro. It's all fun. Yeah.
Also, you and your sister, you both were in Hira Mandi too, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
And at such a young age, landing a project with Sanjay Leela Bhansali is a huge deal. Tell us how exactly it happened.
It just happened. I don't know. Even I don't know. I auditioned for that, and Sanjay sir liked my test. And next I know that I'm on the set of Hira Mandi, and I'm just looking at everyone and I'm like, okay, where to go, how to go. Because it was also a very different set for me coming out from Lapata Ladies and going to Hira Mandi. I think the contrast was so beautiful and thoroughly enjoyed being there. Yeah.
And now, since you have worked with both Sanjay Leela Bhansali and Kiran Rao, what's the most striking difference between both of them and their direction pattern as well?
First of all, I can't compare both of them because both of them, they are best in what they do. And something that's similar between both of them is that both of them, they believe in conviction. Like they direct the direction and the way they'll ask the actor to perform. I think that's wonderful because that is full of conviction. I think that's something that I feel that is similar.
Also, this is something that I'm curious about. Hira Mandi has such a huge star cast list. Who were you closest to?
I think mostly everyone, because everyone was bringing something or the other to the table. Like when you have to learn from someone, if you're standing in a corner, you can learn from anyone. Not necessarily the actors, it can be anyone, because everyone is giving 100%. The entire crew is working so hard. So I think it's the energy at the end of the day that makes the magic.
Now, since you are going to Oscars, what are your expectations from Lapata Ladies? Do you think that we'll be able to bag one for LL?
Let's see what happens. I think for me, even this is a huge thing. And yeah, let's hope for the best.
Pratibha, tell us what's cooking? What are you working on next?
I'll let you know very soon. मैं जब भी कुछ फाइनल करूंगी मैं सबसे पहले आपको आके बता दूंगी.
Lovely. Okay, I'll wait for that. But right now, I have a rapid fire round also waiting for you. Are you ready?
Okay, let's do it.
So, your first question is one part of Pratibha Ranta that you miss after you have entered the showbiz culture of Mumbai.
I think I miss my hometown. I miss going back. I miss spending more time in nature. I think that's something that I miss.
One director that you would want to work with.
Imtiaz Ali sir.
I know this one is going to be extremely difficult, but choose one. Hira Mandi or Lapata Ladies, a project you enjoyed working on.
No, I can't. Please don't do that to me. I genuinely can't do that.
I told you it's going to be difficult, but I asked a project that you enjoyed working on.
No, actually, I enjoyed working on both the projects. I can't pick one. I literally can't.
Okay, you are playing safe here. ठीक है. Tell me about a social media trend that you absolutely despise.
Social media. I don't use so much of social media, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know actually.
Fair enough, but कुछ तो ऐसा होगा ना that you, whenever you scroll your feed, you come across and you're like, यार ये क्या दिखा दिया?
Okay, I mean, like I'm also like equally grateful to social media because it has created altogether a different platform for me. So I think it's okay.
Tell me a song that you are currently hooked to.
Sacha Wala Pyar. I should also rock that.
Very smart. अपना ही गाना. Last series that you binge watched.
Last series that I binged watched. Series तो मैंने कोई binge watch नहीं की है अभी recently, but I watched this film Notting Hill. It's a beautiful film. Yeah.
Okay, one Himachali dish that you feel every of your fans should definitely try.
Siddu. Like I've been explaining what Siddu is exactly to
I
everyone.
loved it. I went to Manali and I tasted it there. I loved it.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Okay, your most used emoticon.
That वो बंदर वाला emoji नहीं है ऐसे.
Wait, that's mine too. By
Oh
the
my
way.
god.
I use it the most. That and rose.
Tell me, how would you react if Lapata Ladies bags the Golden Lady at the Oscars 2025?
This will be my reaction for a while,
Rose.
and then I'll go crazy. I don't know how will I react.
Last but not the least, this is the hottest question of the hour. Did you get a Diljit Dosanjh or Coldplay ticket?
No, I want one. Actually, three, not one. 3 passes.
It's all about luck. Well, Pratibha, thank you so much for joining us here on the chat for Spill the Beans on CNN News 18. We, as I said, we all are rooting for you. All the very best for Oscars 2025. Rooting for Lapata Ladies.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.